everybody. It's Marty the JavaScript Party and my buddy Rhett. Just got done a friggin' massive code project. Long ass video. I was hoping this would be a short video, and then I saw that it appears that there's been a change to the API. So let's go take a look and see what's going on. Phrases. There's a new item in the API called phrases. I don't know what that's all about. Probably the easiest thing to do. See what ChatGPT has to say about it. I thought we were done, guys. I thought we were done. So there is a new. Is it? I guess it's a property, right? Property. Voice API. Web recognition. Voice API called phrases. CSS. Yes, you're correct. This is a phrases property. Here's a breakdown of what it means to use, how to use it, and things to do. Watch out and give it its marked experimental. Phrases is defined as an array, specifically an observable array of speech recognition phrase objects. Purpose is to provide contextual biasing to the speech recognition engine, i.e. you can tell the engine these words or phrases are more likely in this context, so it weighs them higher. Each speech recognition phrase has at least a phrase string property, word phrase, the word phrase to boost, a numeric value, floating point between 0 and 10, how to use it. Here's simple code snippet. So looks like you make an array, you give it a name phrase, boost, there's no freaking way that boost is going to say. The boost is between 0 and 10. For speak recognition. Okay, then you have to convert it to one of their objects. This phrase data map. This phrase data map on the function. This phrase data map. Boost recognition phrase. How is phrase data map? Okay, so this is part. So I want. Okay, so two questions. One. Okay, so your background. Okay, yeah. All right. Two questions. So, what is phrase? What's that thing called? Phrase. Oh, actually, that's an array, and you map it, and then I guess you return. Oh, okay, so you're just changing it. This is part of an array, not anything specific to speech recognition. Okay, so does this work at all? Recently came out. Based on what? Very much experimental practice. Yeah, so I don't think this does anything. Actually, I feel like I want to leave it the red. Um, okay, so yeah, it looks like it freezes. Yeah, I don't think it does anything. I doubt it does a darn thing. I'm actually, but I am actually curious in Edge if it shows up there. Um, I've not seen anything not show up in Edge. It did show up there. Oh wait, what is that thing? Oh, that's like an AI. Yeah, I don't think I would do anything. I think I actually I prefer to have this thing here so that we can kind of see this works. Um, and I'm just over it. And I guess I'm kind of frustrated with my last project. So, um, the one thing that we did add is this how to use that is working. And so I think the next step is to build this out. I may change my mind. I think I would. Oh wait, I have. Oh, okay, I haven't committed it. Ooh, commit. So we added this to there, to there, some styling. I don't think I'm gonna have that though. It does show that this stuff is actively being, which is pretty. Um, I think I know exactly what I want to do in my next things. I think this does everything I want it to do. If somebody wants to figure out how to shoehorn that into the settings, they can. All the code is in fact available. Comment. This is going to be video 8. Push plus. I just want to freaking finish something. Something. Lord. Lord have mercy. So sick of some projects just on and on and on forever. Wow. Kidding me? So apparently GitHub not let me. 100 megabytes is the biggest file. It is so funny how crazy things are. So probably gonna have to do something to make this file smaller. Um, pain in the ass, guys. Pain. File Explorer. I'm in no mood for this. How big is this thing? 209 megabytes. Okay, so I want to reduce this thing down to like 100, to under 100 megs, right? So it's 209. So how do I do? I have tools, I think. Let's see, check this. And this is like the reality, right? Like if this is anytime you're trying to get a project done, run into these sorts of issues all the time. Okay, so all right. 2 x x x mx. So let's see what kind of. And it's good just to tell your problem instead of try to solution it. You do have a few good options depending on what. Free accounts get 1 gigabyte. I could do that. I guess I could FTP it to a different thing, to like one of my other sites. So, okay, so I think this is probably. With each 6 into parts. Uh, put MP4. Okay, so we're higher quality. Actually, so in that case, there's hardly any movement, so I bet you massive. Okay, so video I'm using. I think that's an important detail. Center, keep clarity. Okay, so I think I have FFMG. Installed FF peg. Okay, let's go into the command prompt. Not installed. Option 2. Okay, so I don't. I'm gonna need it anyways for one of my other projects. This is like a really great tool interacting with for getting information and, and stuff like that from videos. I wonder if there's a Windows install. So it wants me to like download a zip file, install it that way. Okay, so it looks like two. Alright, so it looks like I want to go to it says, oh, Windows executable. Install. Install. I don't want the source. Let's see, what did they tell me? Go there, click on Windows, build Guion. Guion. And other step, download the full build zip, usually the latest release. So I want the full zip. I think that is that. So get master builds. I do not remember this being hard at best. Maybe I used to just be better at this kind of stuff. So I wonder if 7Z download the full build. Usually the latest is 7Z or zip. Get full 7Z. FMG essentials get full 7Z. So close. We're so close. So oh, it says it's done. Okay, so we go here. Alright. What's next? Extract it. So, FMG. Okay, so let's go ahead and create an FMG off of the root. And I'm telling you, like, the biggest reason I do any YouTube videos, period, is because I want people to see what the developer experience is. All the developer experiences that you see online are more like entertainment. Like people that write code online, for the most part, are just doing entertainment, or it could be a tutorial. Because like the actual experience and a tutorial are very, very different things. And so I read this book called The Alchemist, and like no one understood what the Alchemist did. I really felt like that is happening with software development, and I just wanted to do my part um, to sort of capture what software development is, because like I'm constantly meeting people right out of college that got a whole degree in software development, and then they're like, I hate every minute, because they don't like this. I actually enjoyed this whole process that we're going through, where we were right there at the end, it looked like we were going to win, and also it's like, nope, GitHub doesn't allow big files. And then like it was, it's good that I learned that. It's good that you learned that. If you watch this video and you watch it at this point, and now you know you can't upload. If you didn't know, you can't upload anything greater than 100 megabytes. So you may not know, but FMK is a good way to manipulate files, and this is kind of how. And when you're in a DOS prompt, you can always type in explorer dot. It'll actually open this explorer, and it makes it a little bit easier to copy things. So, that over here. This folder, open, this all goes well. Now we want to extract it. So, I don't really know directions. So usually extract videos, but I thought we were done. So looks like we'll want for this bin directory to be up there at the top. So I'm just going to Control X to there. It's all the way up here. Just making absolutely sure that I'm sitting FM. This is where I want it. Looks like set the path, which I'm not super familiar with. I guess we'll just leave this there. Alright. It's not something I do very often. News type to put in our path. I don't know if this is something that it's a good idea to do. Let's see. Share something. Share just wherever it pops up. Okay, so I'm doing this off camera, so I think it's a big deal, but you know. So I have advanced properties, visual effects settings. Wish you could just type something and set your environment properties. Your system variable. Okay, check environment variables. I don't see it. Oh, there it is. Perfect. It's a button. Well, that's probably what I did not want to show up on the screen. But let's see. OneDrive consume. Well, even that, no, that doesn't seem interesting. I do have that chocolatey install thing. Alright, so I see that I have a path. So edit, but I clicked on it. Edit button. Edit. That probably should have shown up. Same. I'm just curious what I have. Add the full path, which is there. C. Click OK. OK. That says close all windows. Okay, now restart my command prompt. My command line. Theoretically, I can now type in FM version of this project installed, which is a beautiful. Yep. Okay. that's that for today. Yeah, so tomorrow I'm gonna end up resizing this file and hopefully what is my git status? So it is committed, I just can't push it. So I guess I should undo the last commit. So I think that's git reset. Good. I think that's how you do that. It's just basically now it's no longer committed. I don't want to push those two without this one, but I'll resize this and then recommit tomorrow. And it should go pretty simple. Okay, so I think if I say, okay, so file want, okay, I have it installed. Want to resize. I guess what we need to do though is, no, another thing, I bet you if I downloaded it straight from to smaller, I think they resized everything. So I could go, because since I uploaded it, I could download it again. And I bet you know what, let's do that. I actually have YouTube up here. This guy right here. That'd be funny. That'd be a lot easier. I still need it. I'm not sad. Yeah, it's only 13.1. This is the same video.
Hello everybody, I'm trying to make a video that will basically end up.
Alright, so this one is only 13.1, so let's go ahead and size that. Let's rename this to how to use. So that was actually a lot easier than what I was trying to do. And it was really good. See if it gets me. Wow, and I still have the original in another folder. I mean, like backed up, so I'm not worried about that. The actual original. For some reason, it wants to have administrative. So let's delete that. Copy. Now, that was very clever. Let's reload this.
Hello everybody, I'm trying to make a video that will.
Let's see what this guy says. Okay, so so yeah, it looks like I just do a commit now. So let's get add. I'd like to do the ads for me. Let's try again. Commit. And git push. Alright, that was no problem at all. So basically, at this point in time, I think I'll want to basically build out my distribution tomorrow and FTP it to ilikeemail.com/voice, and then also upload it to GitHub and rebuild it out that way, and then I'll decide if I want to add Git phrases. Phrases to this thing. Like I said, I don't think it'll work. I have very low expectations that it working, and I don't think it, based on my talking with ChatGPT, it sounds like it thinks there's a very low chance that that does anything. So, makes sense. I guess we should just check. So, hi there. Oh, so that's, but hello. Let's see what I do. Hi there. Oh, that's kind of bad. Well, there. Hi there. Hi. There's three ways to say there. There's THER, THIRO. I think THEIR is like it's their thing, so I don't think that makes any sense. Hello. Hello. How are you? What is your name? Alright, so that's all working. So I'll now push, or yeah, so I'm going to build it out, push it to ilikeemail.com. It's like, let's get it. So that's pull requests. Angular voice, Angular. I think this is not, oh, this is not, this is not, this is, probably should, I should add the other one too. Was it? No. It's so weird. I had a couple. Yeah, that's this one. Alright, that's it. Yeah. So, and try to get it out here again. And I believe I have a CLI, or I have different builds in my packages accomplish that. I think it's this one. I think this one will actually. That's actually interesting. So apparently this one by itself will push out to me, so that'll be easy. This one I have to build it. I don't know what I, oh, that's I like email. Build. Oh, that's because yeah, there was something. Yeah. So yeah, I have to do that. I like email.com build. Oh, because that's what puts it in this directory, voice directory. Just trying to remember stuff right. So anyways, I think we're just building that out, pushing it, and good to go. Happy code, everybody. Bye.